This is Neko tonight on October 9th, 2012. You can see the paintbrush, camera, MakerBot 3D printed parts, Arduino Mega microcontroller, and this is these three knobs are potentiometers that can be used to control the position of each axis. So right now you can see Neko moving back and forth, stabilizing. You can use this first knob to move the bottom axis, second knob to control the second axis, and the third knob here to control the third axis with the paintbrush. So next up is getting some more powerful servo motors for the first axis and then working on a straight line. So Neko will be painting gradients from top to bottom, starting with the favorite color of the person who's making the painting with it and ending in that color's complement.